Hello, folks. One of the first things that you would want to do when you basically want to sign up for Google Groups of CamTeamInfo.com of CamTeamInfo is to make sure that you have your delivery address, which is typically if you're which would typically be your bww.com email account or whatever account you currently receive email at. You would basically want to make that your secondary address in your Google account. So if you have a Gmail address, you already have a Google account, and I'll basically show you how to basically add your secondary address. So obviously, first thing is you would do is basically go to google.com. First go to google.com, and then click on the sign button here on the top right. Just go ahead and log in with your Gmail ID and password, and then click on the My Account button here. And when you click on that, it's basically going to show the email address. Okay, so obviously in my case, it's going to show my Gmail address. That's my primary email address. I click on Edit, and then I basically enter my Arveda at bww.com email address. Okay, this basically is my email address I would want to receive my email at for the different Google groups I will be subscribing to. Okay, so I go ahead and say save, and then it actually sends a verification email to my email account. Okay, let me see if I can quickly log into that particular website here. So just click on this, and let me see this. I've already got an email by now. Just go to check my email, and so I should have gotten the email by now from Google asking me to verify my email address. So let's basically wait for it to load. There you go, you can see here. And what you do is essentially it's basically asking you to verify your Google email address. So I just go ahead and click on this, and it's going to basically ask me to log in once again into my Gmail account, and that's it. It says email address verified. And if I go to my previous account page, I will essentially see that I have my bww.com email account, or whatever email account I basically currently get my email at, as a secondary address to my account. Okay, so essentially that's the first step. This will be the first step that I would need to do if I basically want to subscribe to any of the Google groups associated with CamTeamInfo. Okay, thank you very much.